Hey, what's going on YouTube? So today I wanted to make a video on some top stock buys right now. So the first one I want to show you is this one called SESN. This stock normally trades in the 140, 150 range. It dropped today on some news. It wasn't bad news. It was actually good news, but people probably sold on the news. But thing is with this stock is in the past this has happened before. If we just look at the 10-day chart right here, you guys can see the same exact thing happen. It dropped to the low 90s and then it started building back up every day until it hit the 150 area again. So I think something similar is going to happen here. I'm pretty sure it bottomed out today, and it's going to slowly start going up just like it did before, following this pattern here. The next stock I wanted to talk about was TNDM. This stock here, guys, it typically trades within this range here between 32, 33, and 38, 39. So I could show you guys more. You can see it's pretty consistent with the buys and sells in this buy in this area and sell in this area. So right now the price is in the 32s, and 32 and less I'd say is good buys for this, and selling once it goes above 37, somewhere 37, 38 is probably a good idea. So yeah, this is a good buy here. It's probably gonna continue following this pattern. Another stock I got is Yin. So right now Yin has been trading between this range here for the past few days, between like mid 16s and 18. It dropped even lower today, but I'm pretty sure it's bottoming out here, and this may be also a good buy for a smaller percent, probably like it might go back up to like 17 and a half. I don't know if it'll push back up to 18 again, but down here low 16s is probably a good buy over here. I want to talk about VKTX also. So with this stock here, I used to trade in the well over 10 range for a while, and it took a dip down like during last month, and it's been trading here in between this range between $7 and $8, and as you can see, it's already done this 2 times, and I wouldn't say buy this yet. I would wait for it to fall again closer to the $7 range, but you should be on lookout for this stock whenever it's near the $7 range. This is going to be a very good buy because it's probably just going to shoot back up to 8 again. Let me see what else. Oh, this is a new stock I found recently. SOXX. So this is an inverse ETF stock, kind of like Yin. Yin's inverse ETF is called Yang. Basically 2 stocks that are just like inverses of each other. One goes up, one goes down the same percent, and vice versa. So this one here, it's been making higher highs, and it'll probably continue doing this. One thing I noticed here, if I make the dates a little bigger, is that whenever it pushed up to this range over here, over 16, so you hit new high here, 17, it typically falls back and bottoms out, and then fluctuates, but it doesn't go as high. It's just the same pattern it followed here. I'm pretty sure the same thing's going to happen again. So as you can see here, it made a new high, it dropped, it's currently making its own high today. I wouldn't say buy this stock, I would say buy its inverse, because if it's following the same pattern it did before, it's going to drop, and then bounce up to this range again and then drop. So the next thing coming up should be a drop, right? So this stock's inverse is SOXL. So these 2 stocks are just inverses again, so if one goes up, one just has to go down, and if one goes down, the other one has to go up. So if that stock does drop, like I think it will, this stock will boost up from the 71 range to 85 range probably again. So yeah, be on the lookout for that. Not 100% sure, but based on the chart, that's what it looks like. As you guys can see here, it did this before. It's probably just gonna do this again. So yeah, we'll find out. Good luck trading, guys.